Hello everyone, today we got you a great collection of ikats and a wide range of colors to select through, so let's get started. Here we have our traditional and authentic ikat raw silk fabric in an ash brown background or base color, and on top of it we have these geometric patterns which are multicolors of green, yellow, oranges, which are again really beautiful and unique to look at. Moving to our next option, orange, green contrast colors on top of it, giving it a really elegant look. We can use this as a blouse wear or for saris and for kurtas as well. Moving to our next option, this is more on the softer side with a subtle look, and this is again a gorgeous ikat raw silk with a smaller and intricate detailed pattern all over it, which is green and yellow in color, giving it a really beautiful and pretty look, which could be worn as a blouse or a sari, or you could also use it for home decor. Our next fabric here is a shade of green and blue, a mix of it I'd say. Again giving a gorgeous pattern like texture along with a really unique pattern all over it, which could be worn as a lehenga set or a two-piece set or for a kurta as well. Moving to our next fabric here, this is a little more minimal in feels, which you can see through the two colors that we can have here, which is grey and white in color. This could be worn for a more simpler look like a kurta, or we could also use this for cushion covers, giving it a really nice and minimal look. Again, this is a really unique fabric of its own. The next fabric here is more dark and rich in color, a vibrant rani pink ikat raw silk fabric right in front of us with purple hues inside of it, which gives a great contrast all over it. This could be worn for a really nice, like a casual day out for a sari or a two-piece set as well. Here we have an off-white ikat raw silk with these beautiful patterns all over it, having red, yellow and green plus grey contrast on top of it. This could be used for like a puja wear or for any kind of functions or occasions, since it gives a really softer look and you can wear it very elegantly. There is another option of puja look that you can go ahead with, which is more yellow in color with a flower-like pattern, giving a really minimal look while also standing out. You can wear this as a blouse piece or a dupatta or a kurta and even. Moving to our next option, here we have a really dark and royal blue color raw ikat silk. Here there are really minimal intricate details all over it, which are geometric in pattern, again making a really good piece for a sari or a beautiful suit set. Finally, here we have our black color really bold ikat raw silk, which could look really majestic for a kurta or a menswear suit piece, whatever makes it look really bold and dark. Hope you like this video. For more such videos, like and comment, and if you don't want to miss out on our videos, please subscribe to our channel Fabrics by Singhania. And if you want to shop more collection, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1 or shop online at Fabrics by Singhania. Thank you.